Guys, you won't believe this. I just unlocked 1 Year of Perplexity Pro for free. And today, I'm gonna show you how you can do it too, step by step. Welcome back to Curious Scan. You know this channel always brings you the best AI hacks first, from Google AI Pro to now, Perplexity Pro. This method is super simple, worked for me in just minutes, and I had to share it with you guys. By the end of this video, your account will be upgraded to Perplexity Pro for 1 full year. No paid trick, no shady stuff, just a simple step-by-step guide. First, log into your Perplexity account. If you don't have one, just create it real quick. Now, open Gmail in your browser and click Sign In. We'll need this for verification. Click the settings icon. Then, head over to Upgrade Plans. In the Education section, hit Verify as Student. Now, fill out your details, just like we did in the Google AI Pro method. In the School section, type Punjab University. Then, your name and date of birth. Most importantly, in the email box, enter 21BCS plus 4 random numbers at cuchd.in. Then, hit Verify Status. This is the important part. You'll need to upload a proof of enrollment document, but don't stress, I've got you covered. All templates and resources are on my Telegram channel, link in pinned comment and description. Just open the link, upload your photo, type in your name, add other info, and hit download. Enter your name. Use the same student email in the ID number section. Add your date of birth. And click Download. Choose PNG for the best result. If the download fails, just try 2-3 times. It'll work. Once your ID card is ready, upload it back into Perplexity. This might take a few seconds. Just hold on while it verifies. And boom, you're verified. Congrats! You now have 1 full year of Perplexity Pro, totally free. And that's it, guys, simple and done. Now you can enjoy all the premium features of Perplexity Pro for free. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe to Curious Scan for more AI hacks and offers. And join my Telegram for direct access to all the files and updates. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.